The iron load from the trailer truck with plate number H1941BA spilled on the Pantara-Tugu route, precisely in front of the PT Karang Surya Pravalindo iron factory. Jalan Wisong 50A on Thursday 5 August 2021 at around 8:30 WIB. As a result of this incident, the Pantara route from east to west or Kendal to Semarang stalled until the Mongkong terminal. The road cannot be passed by vehicles because the body of the truck crosses the entire road. The traffic police then split the flow of vehicles into the opposite lanes so that the flow continued even though it was crowded.